Aim of this experiment is to study the effect of hypnotic sedative in mice by actophotometer method.
Objectives of this experiment are to understand the terms sedation, hypnosis, to understand behavioral profile like awareness, mood, and motor activity. Sedative hypnotic are CNS depressants. Sedative hypnotic, except benzodiazepines, depress the CNS gradually in a dose dependent manner. Thus, by increasing in dose of sedative hypnotic, calming or drowsiness, that is sedation, sleep or hypnosis, unconsciousness, surgical anesthesia, fatal depression of respiratory and cardiovascular center, followed by coma, is produced. Barbiturates and benzodiazepines act mainly on the midbrain reticular activating system. This region is responsible for maintenance of wakefulness. These drugs also act on the cerebral cortex, cerebellum, pyramidal cells, thalamic relay neurons, and spinal cord. These drugs activate the inhibitory GABA receptors and lead to diminished synaptic transmission, thus produce depression of CNS. The sedative hypnotic activity can be observed by studies on locomotor activity in mice. Sedative hypnotics affect adversely the locomotor activity in mice and in human beings. The locomotor activity is measured in mice before and after administration of sedative hypnotic employing an actophotometer or activity gauge. The actophotometer consists of photoelectric cells and light source. The photoelectric cells are connected to the counter with an electrical circuit. When a beam of light falls on photoelectric cells in an uninterrupted manner, the electrical circuit is completed and digital counter does not show any reading. When mice are placed on the grid of actophotometer, the light rays are interrupted due to movement of mice. The light rays do not reach the photoelectric cells, breaking the electrical circuit temporarily. The digital counter now shows interruptions in digits.
To study the effect of sedative hypnotic in mice, activity gauge like actophotometer can be used. An actophotometer operates on principle of photoelectric cell. Photoelectric cells are connected in a circuit with a counter. An actophotometer may have a circular or square floor area of metallic rods. Current flows through these rods upon application of voltage. causing movement of the animals inside. Remember, when a beam of light falling on the photocells is cut off by an animal, a count is recorded. Actophotometer is provided with main on off switch, digital counter, reset button, rotating knob for adjustment of voltage. Now select 3 adult healthy mice of either sex weighing not less than 20 gram. Place them individually in the actophotometer. Turn on the equipment and note the Bessel score for individual mice for 10 minutes. You can see that when animal moves, a count is recorded on digital counter. Note the reading. Now inject 0.2 ml of diazepam solution intraperitoneally to individual mice. Observe the activity of 3 individual mice at an interval of 15 minutes up to 1 hour. You will notice that movement of mice has decreased gradually. A state of drowsiness is produced, characterized by suppressed movement. This is recorded in terms of counts, indicating sedative effect is produced without sleep. A further increase in dose, you will notice further depression is induced in CNS and animal enters in a state of deep sleep characterized by abolition of movement. The decreased count indicates depressed central nervous system. Clinically, diazepam-like drugs are used as sedatives, hypnotic, or anxiolytics in insomnia or anxiety, that is hypnosis.
You have learned that sedation is followed by hypnosis. Loss of writing reflex and locomotor activity indicate sedative hypnotic action. Sedative hypnotic produce CNS depression.